Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting your canvas and core tools so you can focus on drawing. Open File, set size and resolution, higher for prints. Pick a pen and one textured brush, then set stabilizer to taste. This smooths strokes without losing wobble. Once done, import your reference image into a locked layer and enable the color panel for quick sampling. Make sure to save a new SAI file. This prevents data loss, and name layers clearly so you can work non-destructively. You now build forms and refine edges. Begin with a low opacity layer to block in large color shapes and values. This establishes proportions fast. Then add a clean linear layer above. Use a 1 to 3 px pen and vary pressure for expressiveness. Once lines are set, create clipping groups for clothes, skin, and hair. Use multiply layers for shadows and add a soft light layer for highlights. Make sure to name groups, because organized layers speed edits and let you isolate troubles later. You finish by polishing values and exporting correctly. Paint local shadows first, think direction of light, then add rim lights and small texture strokes to imply material. Once satisfied, make a merged visible copy on top for global adjustments like color balance or curves to unify the piece. Export at required size and format, PNG for web or TIFF for print, and always keep the layered SAI file. If colors shift on export, check color profile and flatten only after confirming final look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.